Have you ever felt like she suddenly lost interest, but you don't know why? One day she's warm and smiling, and the next it's cold stares, delayed texts, and excuses. What if I told you it's not what you said, it's what you silently showed? Women are hyper-attuned to weakness. Not the kind that shows when you're vulnerable, but the kind that screams, I have no backbone. And once she sees it, she can't unsee it. Today, I'm exposing the 7 silent behaviors that scream weakness. To women, the ones that destroy attraction, respect, and connection. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal a simple mindset shift that instantly flips weakness into magnetic strength without changing who you are. Let's dive in. Sign 1. You apologize too much. Let me ask you something. Do you say sorry, even when you didn't do anything wrong? Introduction and what you'll learn. Ever say sorry just to keep the peace? Here's the truth. Over-apologizing is not humility, it's self-erasure. When a woman sees a man constantly apologizing, she reads one thing. He fears disapproval more than he values his truth. Real life scenario? She disrespects your opinion during a debate. You disagree, but then quickly say, you're right, sorry, just to avoid tension. Sign 1, over-apologizing. Just taught her that your opinion is disposable. Strength is owning your truth without aggression. Say what you mean what you say. And only apologize when there's actual fault, not to get approval. Next, we go deeper into a habit that trains your masculine edge without you even noticing. Sign 2. You over-explain yourself. Ever found yourself justifying your every move? You're going out with friends, and you sign 2. Over-explaining her a whole essay. I'm just going with the guys for 1 beer. We won't be out late, I promise. I'll text you as soon as. Brother, listen, confident men don't over-explain. They inform. They don't seek permission. They move with respect and clarity. When you over-explain, what she hears is, I don't trust myself, so I need your validation. You're showing her you fear her reaction more than you trust your sign. 3. Seeking reassurance on choices. That's a dangerous place to live. A strong man moves from intention, not anxiety. Up next, we'll uncover a trait that silently screams, I'm not enough, ... and she feels it instantly. Sign 3. You seek constant reassurance. Do you still love me? Are you sure I didn't upset you? Is everything okay? Sound familiar? Sign 4. Prioritizing her over yourself. Now there's nothing wrong with checking in. But when it becomes a pattern of emotional dependency, it turns her off faster than you can imagine. Sign 4. You prioritize her over yourself. You cancel gym time to hang with her. You skip your goals to text her all day. You lose your identity trying to win her heart. Sounds sweet, right? But here's the cold truth. When a man abandons himself to please a woman, she eventually resents him. Why? Because you've made her your purpose instead. Sign 5. Avoiding conflict off. Living your purpose alongside her. Sign 5. You avoid conflict at all costs. She did something that bothered you, but you stayed silent. Sound familiar? Avoiding conflict doesn't make you peaceful. It makes you passive. When you dodge difficult conversations just to keep things smooth, you teach her that you can't lead. Sign 6. Oversharing too soon can't protect and can't stand firm. Sign 6. You overshare your emotions too. Soon, let's be clear, emotional openness is not weakness, but emotional dumping is. Telling her your fears, traumas, insecurities right at the start of the connection might feel like deep bonding. Sign 7. You wait for her to make all the moves. Sign 7. Waiting for her to lead you. Wait for her to text first. You wait for her to initiate plans. You wait for her to tell you what she wants. In short, you wait and wait and wait. Brother, women don't want to drag you into leadership. They want to be inspired into surrender. For now, subscribe and watch this short video.